All right, let's talk about adding voiceovers. This is a really popular thing to do, and there's a lot of different ways that you could go about it. I prefer to write a script. So I do a lot of tutorials where I explain how to do specific edits. And what I do is I actually write down all the steps and I make a script, and then I just go into my voice memos and I start recording. And while it's recording, I just go in here and read it. So I would say, here's how I made the building grow and turn into night. First, I took 2 time lapses from the exact same spot and lined them up, then exported the first photo and cut out all these shapes into little layers, export them all as transparent PNGs, and use generative fill to cover the building and any missing gaps. You get the point. I don't need to go through the whole thing, but that's how I do it. Now I have this voiceover, so I just simply go into my recording and I tap on it one time, click on the 3 dots, and then I click share, and now I can just scroll over and add it to CapCut, and then just import the audio into CapCut. Boom. Now I got it in there. This is how I like to do my voiceovers. My wife actually likes to do it like this. And my wife will do a lot of kind of like mini vlogs on our travels. And so kind of talking about the things that we did, the people that we met, and kind of likes to go through it and has like specific things that she wants to hit. And when she does it, she likes to do it directly in CapCut. And the way that she does it is she clicks record, and you have 2 options. You either have an option to tap it and it'll give you a countdown timer, and then you can just start talking as soon as it's done, and you could just add the voiceover, and as soon as you're done, you can stop it. You can also come in here and start trimming things, and you can start adding a fade. So you could fade in and fade out, and so it'll make like those little transitions in between sentences a little smoother. But she says that it's actually kind of difficult to do it like that with the tap because of the 3, 2, 1. She never quite gets it right, and so it adds a lot of extra steps. So what she likes to do is she'll write the script, and maybe it's on a piece of paper, and then she'll just read 1 sentence at a time. So here we are in Alabama at the Gulf Shores, and then she'll stop, and then she'll record the next sentence. And our first stop on our 3-day itinerary, she didn't like that, you know, maybe I paused or whatever. Oh, it didn't even record, so that's fine. So it knew I screwed up. And our first stop on our itinerary was, and then she'll just go through it like this. And she likes to keep it original, but I know sometimes we'll do cat videos and stuff like that, and we will add different sounds to it. But you can add different voice sounds. We're not gonna go, you know, it'll take too long to go through all of these. There's so many different ones, so many different characters. Make it sound like a chipmunk, make it sound like, so yeah. You can turn them into songs, which is something that I've never done, but you have that ability. And that's basically her workflow for it. So steal whatever one makes the most sense for how you're going to go about it. It's really just a preference. I prefer writing a script and reading it off. She prefers doing it 1 sentence at a time. All right, well, if you have any other questions about doing voiceovers inside CapCut, let me know.